As part of its ongoing military support to Ukraine, France has supplied 2 Crotale NG air defense system batteries, a vital addition to the country's efforts to defend its airspace from various aerial threats. These systems, in their advanced trailer-mounted version, were recently showcased in a video released by the 38th Anti-Aircraft Missile Regiment. These modernized Crotale NG systems, equipped with cutting-edge radar and missile technology, are set to bolster Ukraine's defense capabilities significantly. The Crotale NG, a sophisticated air defense system originally developed in France, has undergone continuous upgrades to meet the demands of modern warfare. Its key feature is its enhanced radar equipment and the ability to carry 8 ready-to-launch missiles, doubling the missile capacity of its predecessors. The system is designed to provide superior airfield defense and replaces the older Hotchkiss Peak 4R chassis systems that were previously in service. Mounted on a trailer for flexibility and easy deployment, the system is well suited for dynamic battlefield conditions. The trailer not only houses the missile launchers but also contains an integrated control room, enabling operators to manage the system effectively. This makes it an ideal solution for defending against a wide range of aerial threats, from low-flying helicopters to high-speed aircraft. The Crotale NG is an impressive piece of military technology, integrating several advanced subsystems to ensure optimal performance. At its core is an electrically powered turret weighing approximately 4,800 kilograms, containing a surveillance radar, tracking radar, and electro-optical equipment. The latter includes a day and night thermal imaging camera (FLIR), a daytime television camera, a video tracking system, and an infrared detection system. These features enable the system to track and engage targets effectively, day or night, in various environmental conditions. The Crotale NG's radar system is a 2630 model by Thales Defense Systems Limited operating in the S-band. The radar features flexible frequency tuning, pulse compression, and Doppler technology. It boasts a detection and tracking range of up to 30 kilometers and is capable of locking onto targets with speeds exceeding Mach 2. The radar's flat antenna rotates at 40 RPM, and its advanced countermeasure system makes it resistant to jamming attempts. A standout feature of the Crotale NG system is its missile armament. The system can carry 8 ready-to-launch missiles, which are arranged in 2 blocks of 4 container launchers. The VT-1 missile, designed for this system, has a launch weight of 75 kilograms, 95 kilograms with the container launcher. The missile's flight speed can reach Mach 3.5, making it highly effective against fast-moving targets. The VT-1 missile is equipped with a 13-kilogram high-explosive warhead designed to maximize damage upon interception. The warhead's proximity fuse, developed by TDA, uses advanced radar technology to ensure precise detonation at the optimal point, creating a kill radius of up to 8 meters. This advanced technology ensures that the Crotale NG can intercept a broad range of aerial threats, from slow-moving aircraft to supersonic projectiles. With a range of up to 11 kilometers and an intercept altitude from ultra-low to over 6,000 meters, the Crotale NG is a versatile and formidable weapon. Its ability to engage multiple types of airborne threats, including missiles, aircraft, and drones, makes it an invaluable asset for Ukraine's air defense network. France's donation of the Crotale NG air defense systems to Ukraine marks a significant milestone in the ongoing collaboration between Western nations and Ukraine's military forces. These advanced systems, with their improved radar, missile capacity, and flexible deployment capabilities, will undoubtedly enhance Ukraine's ability to defend its skies. As aerial threats evolve, systems like the Crotale NG provide a crucial line of defense, ensuring that Ukraine remains protected against a wide range of potential airborne dangers. This latest addition to Ukraine's air defense arsenal demonstrates a continued commitment to equipping the country with state-of-the-art technology, enabling it to effectively counter modern aerial threats and safeguard its sovereignty in an increasingly complex security landscape.